Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, karibu sana. My name is happinessmajoni, and if you're a returning subscriber, you know the love I got for you. So today, today's just today, and on today's video I'm going to be showing you the simple exercises that I do when I am away from home. Guys, I practice yoga. I am still a beginner. I'm going to show you guys my journey when I am ready. Okay, so this is like my zen thing every day in the morning, every single day, including the weekends. This is what I do. Enjoy this little workout stroke, beginner yoga stroke, stretches, whatever you want to call it. So what I'm going to be doing next is to help with my core strength. Yes, I have the best core, guys. This one right here is my worst exercise. The next exercise, I don't know what to call this, but I know it has a name. I can't just recall it. It helps with the core and your bote and the strengthening of your legs, and as well works out the inner thighs. Okay, Okay, so now what I am doing, I am about to do my hamstring stretch. As you can see guys, I always carry my resistance band everywhere I go if I am away from home. So I'm just doing some hamstring stretches to make the muscles on my legs not flex on me or have a muscle pull. It's not the best feeling, so I always do a stretch before and after I work out. Next are my squats, guys. I love me my squats, any kind of squats with weight, that's my thing. Last but not least, guys, I always go down on my fours, and guess what I do? I always do the planks. I'm a pro, guys. I can hold a plank for 1 minute 30 seconds, working towards 2 minutes. So yeah, you should start, guys. When you're starting to do your planks, you're going to vibrate like a broken washing machine. Somebody told me if you vibrate, it's working. That is it for today's video. You know what to do. Like, comment, share and subscribe already if you haven't. Always remember to work hard, stay humble and be disciplined. See you guys in my next one. Bye.